Hey, my name is Cubby, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve the full beard using the Wahl stainless steel trimmer. First, you'll want to prepare by washing and drying your face. Next, you're going to take the Wahl styling comb and comb all the hairs down in the direction of the hair's growth. You want to make sure your trimmer is fully charged and your blades are oiled each time you use it. So now that your face is clean and your trimmers are prepped, you're going to begin by trimming down the cheeks and along the neck, leaving the beard untouched. First, we'll start by trimming the edges along the neckline with your Wahl trimmer without an attachment, creating a subtle border where your hair becomes visibly sparse. Next, we're going to trim away any long whiskers along your cheeks and create a strong diagonal line. Now that we've cleaned up the cheeks and the neckline, we're going to take our styling comb and comb down the mustache so that we can trim any excess hairs along the upper lip and sides of the mouth. Start at the top of your jaw. You'll begin trimming down. For longer beards, always trim in the direction of the hair's growth to avoid patchiness. And once you've reached your desired length, you're going to take the guard of your choice to help maintain its length. Finish by using a pea-sized dab of Wahl's beard softener to help shape and hold your freshly trimmed beard in place. And that's how you achieve the full beard using the Wahl stainless steel trimmer. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.